So question number 1, if the speed of light of medium is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, so what is the absolute refractive index of medium? So for solving this question, we write down first given data. सर्वात प्रथम आपण given data लिहिणार आहोत. So what we given? The speed of light in a medium, so that we represent V2. So V2 is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Then V1 means speed of light in vacuum. It is a given 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and it is a universal constant value. Then to find, so what we find here, absolute refractive index of medium means n we find. Then formula, so formula is n is equal to V1 upon V2. Now we just put down value in the equation. So solution is n is equal to V1 upon V2 is equal to V1 is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and V2 is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So इथे 1.5 आहे आणि इथं 3 आहे, तर हे आपण 3.0 इंटू 10 रेज टू 8 असं लिहू शकतो, आणि इथं 1.5 इंटू 10 रेज टू 8 मीटर पर सेकंड. हे मीटर पर सेकंड काय होईल, कॅन्सल होईल. आणि ज्यावेळी तुम्ही 1.5 ने 3.0 ला डिवाइड कराल त्यावेळेस तुम्ही पॉईंट विसरू शकता. तो 15 1 जा 15, 15 2 जा 30. So answer will be 2 and then 0.0. So refractive index of absolute refractive index of medium is 2. So second number problem, if the absolute refractive index of glass and water is 3/2 and 4/3 respectively, so what is the refractive index of glass with respect to water? So we first write down given data. So first, absolute refractive index of glass is 3/2. Then absolute refractive index of water is 4/3, and we find it here. Refractive index of glass with respect to water means WNG is equal to NW upon NG. So this is a find and this is a formula. So now we solve this problem. Solution is equal to WNG is equal to NW means absolute refractive index of water and absolute refractive index of glass. So we put down here value 4/3 divided by 3/2. So when we multiply these values, so it will happen 4/3. तर जर आपण ह्या व्हॅल्यू जर डिनोमिनेटरला घेऊया म्हणजे वरच्याच बाजूला घेऊया, तर या होणार 2/3 म्हणजेच हे होणार 8/9. याला जर आपण रेसिप्रोकल घेतला तर ही व्हॅल्यू होईल 9/8. सो हे आहे याचं आन्सर. The absolute refractive index of glass respect with the water is 9/8.